Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into something super exciting. How to use your PlayStation gift card in 2025. Whether you're a seasoned gamer or just starting out, this guide will walk you through the process step by step, making sure you get the most out of your gift. With PlayStation's latest updates, redeeming cards has never been easier or more secure. So, grab your gift card and let's jump right in. First things first, make sure your PlayStation console is updated to the 2025 software. This ensures you have access to the newest features, like enhanced security protocols and faster redemption times. Start by turning on your console and navigating to the PlayStation Store from the home screen. Once you're there, look for the Redeem Code option. It's usually at the top of the menu. Now, carefully scratch off the back of your gift card to reveal the code. Type it in exactly as it appears, double-checking for any letters or numbers you might miss. In 2025, PlayStation has introduced a handy autocorrect feature, so if you make a small typo, it might fix it for you. After entering the code, hit Confirm, and you'll see your account balance update almost instantly. That's it. Your funds are now ready to use. But wait, there's more. Once redeemed, you can use your gift card balance for buying games, add-ons, or even subscriptions like PlayStation Plus. Pro tip: if you're on the PlayStation app on your phone, you can redeem codes there too, which is perfect for on-the-go purchases. Keep an eye out for any promotional offers in 2025 that might give you extra bonuses when you redeem. If you run into any issues, like an error message, don't panic. Common problems include expired cards or network glitches, so check your internet connection and ensure the card hasn't passed its use-by date. PlayStation's support team is top-notch, with a new AI chat feature in 2025 that can help resolve issues quickly. There you have it, folks. You're all set to enjoy your PlayStation gift card. If this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more gaming tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and happy gaming.